So let me guess, your team is hitting the sprint goals. Your velocity looks great and those tickets are getting closed. But I imagine nothing meaningful is actually improving. So here's the uncomfortable truth, folks. You're measuring output, not outcomes. Most teams and organizations are obsessed with activity, story points, velocity, number of tickets completed. But none of that tells you if you're making money, you're retaining users, solving real-world problems, you can ship 100 features and still build something no one cares about. That's the trap you may be in. High-performing teams don't ask, what are we delivering this sprint? They ask, what is supposed to change? Every piece of work should connect to a user behavior, a business metric, a measurable outcome. And if it doesn't, why are you doing it? So here's an example of a bad sprint goal. Deliver new onboarding flow. What does that actually mean? Where a better sprint goal could be increase activation rate from 32% to 45%. Now your team experiments a bit more, kills bad ideas faster, focuses on the impact they are having. If your success is measured by how busy you are, you will stay busy forever, otherwise known as a busy fool. If it's measured by impact, you'll start making better decisions. Output, it does feel productive, but outcomes create value. And if you like this video, there'll be another one above there with either me or another interesting person talking about all things agile and product development. See you next time.